Welcome back to my channel that brings you the most exciting innovations in luxury travel and compact adventure vehicles. If you're into smart design, unique campers, and eye-catching machines built for both the city and the wild, you're in the right place. Let's get into today's spotlight on a remarkable new camper tricycle that's shaking up the micromobility scene, the 2026 Urban Scout. Picture this, a sleek, compact trike that's part electric bike, part camper, and all attitude. The Urban Scout is a futuristic three-wheeler designed for the modern-day nomad, someone who wants the freedom of the open road, but without the burden of a bulky RV or the limitations of a traditional tent. This tricycle blends the agility of a bicycle with the comfort and utility of a microcamper, offering an urban-ready adventure pod that fits into tight spaces, narrow trails, and small parking spots without sacrificing convenience or cool factor. The 2026 Urban Scout comes with a striking new design that feels straight out of a sci-fi film. Its chassis is lightweight but durable, built with a reinforced aluminum frame that balances strength and portability. The aerodynamic body panels are shaped to reduce drag while still providing full weather protection. From the outside, the Urban Scout looks more like a mini spaceship than a typical camper, complete with smooth lines, matte finish bodywork, and integrated LED lighting strips that double as running lights and ambient night lights. Performance-wise, this isn't just a pretty face. The Urban Scout is powered by a 1,200-watt electric motor paired with a high-capacity 72V lithium-ion battery pack. This combo delivers a top speed of around 40 km per hour and a range of up to 80 km on a full charge, more than enough for daily commutes, weekend getaways, or urban exploring. It also features regenerative braking, smart pedal assist, and even a solar panel on the roof to keep your battery topped up during daylight rides. But let's get to what really matters, the camper features. The Urban Scout is designed for solo travelers or ultra-minimalist couples, and it makes incredible use of limited space. When parked, the rear section expands slightly to reveal a cozy sleeping area that's surprisingly comfortable. It includes a fold-flat memory foam mattress, thermal insulation, blackout shades, and a pop-up roof for extra headroom. You won't find unnecessary frills here, but what it does offer is extremely well thought out. Storage hasn't been overlooked either. The Urban Scout has built-in cubbies and modular bins for essentials like clothes, tools, food, and gear. The front cargo rack holds a detachable utility box, perfect for locking up valuables or adding extra storage for longer trips. For those who want even more flexibility, the camper unit can be detached from the trike itself, turning the bike into a solo ride for day trips or errands. And if you're wondering about power management, the Urban Scout comes with a smart onboard control panel that monitors battery levels, solar input, and energy usage. It even has USB ports and a 110V AC outlet to charge your devices. There's also an optional mobile app that syncs with your phone to show trip data, maintenance alerts, and GPS tracking. One of the standout features is how well it handles urban terrain. With its three-wheel layout, the Urban Scout feels stable even when fully loaded. Its compact turning radius makes it easy to navigate city streets, alleys, and tight camping spots. The suspension system, complete with front shocks and rear coil springs, smooths out bumps and potholes, so you're not rattled around even when the road gets rough. Safety is another area where the Urban Scout excels. It's equipped with disc brakes on all wheels, high-visibility LED headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. There's even an integrated rear-view camera and proximity sensors that alert you to nearby obstacles, which is incredibly helpful in crowded areas. The cabin is lockable, and there's a motion-sensitive alarm system to keep your gear secure when you're away. And if you're looking for customization, the Urban Scout offers a range of upgrade options. Choose from all-weather tire kits, winter-ready insulation packages, different roof rack configurations, and interior layouts to suit your style. Whether you're a digital nomad, weekend explorer, or someone who just wants a backup shelter on wheels, there's an Urban Scout setup that fits your needs. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It tells the world that you're ready for anything, whether it's a quiet escape to the woods, an overnight city stay, or a long-haul eco-adventure. It's for the new wave of travelers who care about sustainability, flexibility, and design. It's bold. It's efficient. And it's one of the most exciting camper trikes we've seen for 2026. The Urban Scout is currently rolling out in select markets, with a starting price around $8,500. Not cheap for a trike, but when you consider what it replaces a bike, a tent, a camper, and even a small car for short trips, it starts to make a lot more sense. Early adopters are already praising it for how seamlessly it blends urban commuting with off-grid living. So whether you're planning to roam the back alleys of Berlin, explore Tokyo's parks, or hit the remote trails of California, the 2026 Urban Scout might just be your perfect adventure partner. Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Urban Scout Camper Tricycle, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest machines on 3 wheels or 4. Let us know in the comments where you take your Urban Scout first, and stay tuned because we've got more cutting-edge campers, luxury vehicles, and travel tech coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep exploring.